I got bitten by a dog in New York, and I got injured. Can I get money for this? Hi, my name is Matt Haicken. I'm an injury lawyer in New York City. Most likely you can. In order to prove a dog bite case in New York, you have to show that the dog's owner had knowledge of the dog's prior vicious propensities. Now, what does that mean? It means that in New York, every dog gets one free bite. In some states, you get bitten by a dog, you can sue the homeowner or the owner of that dog, no problem. New York, you got to show that they knew that the dog had done something vicious in the past. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean you have to show that the dog had bitten someone in the past. You have to show that they knew the dog had done something to show it was vicious, such as growling, barking, lunging. If it was just the sweetest little dog and never did anything vicious, then there's no case. Now, how do you show that? You have to have someone testify to that. Every now and then, you get a very honest dog owner who admits to that. Now, if the homeowner won't admit to this, or the dog owner, you can prove that they knew about the dog's prior vicious propensities by testimony from other witnesses. The best scenario is if these other witnesses are independent, such as a neighbor or the mail carrier or the UPS or Amazon delivery person. But it could be you. As the neighbor, you could say that you had been in the neighborhood before. You'd been in the neighborhood before and you'd seen this dog act in a vicious way. It growled at you, barked at you, lunged at you. And that is enough to get you to a jury. When I say get you to a jury, what I mean is that the defendant, the person who owns that dog, their lawyer is going to try to have your case dismissed. Their lawyer is going to say, well, my client couldn't have known that Fido was dangerous. It was just a spontaneous thing. It just attacked somebody. There's no way she could have known. But with your testimony, that will make sure the case doesn't get dismissed and it will go to a jury. It gets kind of complicated, but if you do have questions about a dog bite case that happened in New York, feel free to give me a call. I answer questions just like yours all the time. There's never a fee unless we win. The call is always free. Remember, for accidents and injuries, call 212-LAW-TEAM.
For accidents and